Hello there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today, we will show you how to customize home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A7 in order for you to significantly enhance your user experience, making your device more intuitive and enjoyable to use. From changing the wallpaper to adding widgets, arranging icons and adjusting settings, there are numerous ways to make your home screen uniquely yours. In this guide, we will explore various tips and tricks to help you get most out of your Galaxy A7's home screen customization. Number 1. Changing the wallpaper. One of the simplest ways to personalize your home screen is by changing the wallpaper. The Galaxy A7 allows you to choose from a variety of pre-installed wallpapers, live wallpapers, or your own photos. To change the wallpaper, number 1. Long press on an empty area of the home screen. Number 2. Select wallpapers. Number 3. Choose from wallpapers, gallery, your own photos, or wallpaper services. Number 4. Select your desired wallpaper and tap Set as Wallpaper. You can also set different wallpapers for the home screen and lock screen by selecting Home Screen, Lock Screen, or Home and Lock Screens when prompted. Number 2. Adding and managing widgets. Widgets are small apps that run directly on your home screen, providing quick access to information and functionalities without having to open the app. They can be incredibly useful for things like weather updates, calendar events, and quick notes. To add a widget, number 1. Long press on an empty space on the home screen. Number 2. Tap on widgets. Number 3. Browse through the available widgets and select one you want to add. Number 4. Long press the widget and drag it to your desired location on the home screen. To resize a widget, long press it and release. If the widget is resizable, you will see a border with handles that you can drag to adjust its size. Number 3. Creating folders. Organizing your apps into folders can help you keep your home screen tidy and make it easier to find your app. Create a folder. Number 1. Long press on an app icon and drag it over another app icon. Number 2. Release the app, and a folder will be created containing both apps. Number 3. Tap on the folder to open it. Then tap on the text area to rename the folder. You can add more apps to the folder by dragging them into it. Number 4. Changing the home screen layout. You can customize the layout of your home screen by adjusting the grid size, which determines how many apps and widgets can fit on the screen. To change the home screen grid size, number 1. Long press on an empty area of the home screen. Number 2. Select home screen settings. Number 3. Tap on home screen grid. Number 4. Choose your preferred grid size. Example, 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, etc. and tap Apply. A denser grid allows you to fit more icons and widgets on the home screen, while a sparser grid makes each item larger and easier to see. Number 5. Customizing the app drawer. The app drawer contains all the apps installed on your device. You can customize it to better suit your needs. To customize the app drawer, number 1. Open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen. Number 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Number 3. Select Home Screen Settings. Here, you can choose to sort your apps alphabetically, by most used or in a custom order. You can also hide apps that you don't use often to keep your app drawer uncluttered. Number 6. Using themes. Samsung offers a variety of themes that change the look and feel of your device, including wallpapers, icons, and color schemes. To apply a theme, number 1. Long press on an empty area of the home screen. Number 2. Tap Themes. Number 3. Browse the available themes and select one you like. Number 4. Tap Download, then Apply. Themes can drastically change the appearance of your home screen, giving your device a fresh and unique look. Number 7. Icon Packs and Custom Icons. If you prefer to customize your icons individually, you can use icon packs available from the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. To apply an icon pack, number 1. Download an icon pack from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Number 2. Long press on an empty area of the home screen and select Themes. Number 3. Tap Icons. Number 4. Select the downloaded icon pack and tap Apply. Some third-party launchers also allow you to change individual app icons by long pressing the icon and selecting a new one from the icon pack. Number 8. Gestures and navigation bar customization. Samsung Galaxy A7 offers gesture-based navigation and customizable navigation bar options to make navigation easier and more intuitive. To enable gesture navigation, number 1, go to Settings. Number 2, select Display. Number 3, tap on Navigation bar. Number 4, use full screen gestures. You can also customize the navigation bar by choosing navigation buttons and adjusting the button order or layout. Number 9, lock screen customization. Customizing your lock screen can add both functionality and personal flair. Customize the lock screen. Number 1, go to Settings. Number 2, tap on Lock Screen. Number 3, select Clock Style to change the appearance of the clock. Number 4, tap on Face Widgets to add useful widgets to the lock screen, such as weather, music controls, or your schedule. You can also change the lock screen wallpaper by following the same steps as changing the home screen wallpaper. Number 10. Always on display, or AOD, shows information such as the clock, notifications, and battery status even when the screen is off. To enable and customize AOD, number 1, go to Settings. Number 2, tap on Lock Screen. Number 3, select Always on Display. Number 4, toggle it on and customize the display settings, such as the clock style and what information is shown. Number 11. Utilizing Samsung Daily. Samsung Daily, formerly Bixby Home, is a content feed that provides news, weather, reminders, and more. To access and customize Samsung Daily, number 1, swipe right from the home screen to access Samsung Daily. Number 2, tap the three-dot menu icon to customize your content preferences and cards. You can choose which type of content you want to see and which services you want to integrate with Samsung Daily. Number 12. Hiding apps. If you want to keep certain apps private or simply reduce clutter, you can hide apps from your home screen and app drawer. To hide apps, number 1, long press on an empty area of the home screen. Number 2, select home screen settings. Number 3, tap on Hide Apps. Number 4, select the apps you want to hide and tap Apply. Hidden apps will not appear on the home screen or in the app drawer, but you can still access them through the settings or by searching. In conclusion, customizing the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A7 is an excellent way to make your device truly yours. By taking advantage of the various customization options available, you can create a home screen that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Whether you are adjusting the wallpaper, organizing your apps, or using widgets for quick access to information, these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your Galaxy A7. And that is all there is. We hope that this meaningful solution brightens your day. And before we say goodbye, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your help means a lot to us. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.